Okay, more fiberglass and carbon work today. We are making the carbon front guard, that's in a vacuum bag. Full carbon rear guard, that's in a vacuum bag. Okay, let's unwrap the present. So this is the carbon front mudguard in a vacuum bag. Take out the little valve, so we get some air into it. Leave it open. Theoretically, yep. It shouldn't stick, so ta-da! Still green, still feels a bit tacky, but this is the packing so that the vacuum doesn't suck itself to the bag. Carbon looks good, but there's, oh no, I'll be happy tomorrow when the peel ply comes off. So you can see the excess resin, and that's on the other side of the peel ply. So once this is cured, you can see the carbon fiber. So nice and happy with that. Ooh. No, that's good. The big one. This one ended up getting double bagged. The first bag decided it was going to leak. So ran around trying to find the hole, taped up a few suspect areas, but that wasn't going to be the solution, so I thought, well, chuck it in another bag. This is the one that leaked. That's where we thought the leak was, but nope. Oh. think that bag's toast. Ta-da! Let that cure overnight. And see what it's like in the morning. Okay, it's the next morning. Let's try, we'll start with the front guard, the easy one. As you can see, the peel ply. So peel ply doesn't stick to the fiberglass. Or to the epoxy. There we go. Nice layout, but might be a little bit dry and not quite enough resin in there. I wonder if I should add some while it's still in the mold. Oh, it's on the inside. I will be able to add that once it's out. Okie dokie. These are the tools of mold release. Plastic panel removal tools. As you can see, I've just ground a little bit around the edge so that I can get to the seam, and then we'll give it a, there's a little edge. Oh, here we go. This has got the PVA mold release. Woohoo! Ta-da! Nice. Yeah, the slight resin void's only on the inside, so that'll be easy to repair. There's a little bit there as well. I need to mix more for the next one. There we go. One carbon front guard. This is molding wax. It was used in these little areas where the gel coat chipped out of the first guard that came out of the mold. Polish it up and then do another one. Let's move on to the rear guard. Let's pull the peel ply off the rear guard. Let's see if I can get this end started. That's releasing. Might need to work my way back down a bit. Oh, that's a mission. A new tool, masking tape on a 600mm ruler. Slide it all the way in from underneath. This one was a nightmare to get off. Where we cleaned up the mold, that's a lot Oh yeah, it's nice. No voids, no cracks. A little bit thin there. You can see a little void there. Must have slipped across. That's a separate piece of carbon that was cut out, and while, oh yes, there's excess up here. Yeah. Oh well, that can all be resined on the inside. Now time to clean up the guards. And so after I repaired some of the voids in the dry resin, cut it out with the Dremel with a cut-off wheel, and now I'm just giving it a bit of a, gave it a bit of a sand and give it a bit of a polish. This is the rear guard. You can see where I added some resin just in the edges where it was dry. Same on the other guard, and then I sanded it off once I'd cut it. And then underneath on the inside, just added a little bit of strengthening just in so that the where your bum lands if you fall off the back. So this one needs to be cut out, trimmed out. And the same, I'm just giving this one a polish. I'll do the same for the rear, and then I'll swap it over, and I just use a 3M polish and slight cut, and effectively slow is good. So this little electric screwdriver has got a nice slow speed, and it just, with a little 2-inch pad, you can see where it's scuffed up from the sanding, and then on the same on the other end where the buffing or the polishing takes it away. So I'll finish this off, give it a polish, and then come back to you. There you go. It's not highly polished, it's just the cutting compound, sort of cut and polish compound, just to get rid of any marks from the mold or removing the mold release. But that's come up good. It'll obviously need a bit more of a polish, get out the buffer, but it's for a trials bike, so ultra light, nice and flexible. So I'll mount that, and you'll get to see that in a second. So there we go. The carbon guard fitted on the front.
Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.